Welcome to our power supply showdown. Today we are comparing two popular power supplies, the CORSAIR RM1000x and the Segotep 750W. We'll look at their specifications, features, and pricing to help you make an informed choice for your gaming rig. Let's dive in. When it comes to wattage, the CORSAIR RM1000x stands out with a powerful 1000 watts, making it an excellent choice for high-end systems that require more power. In contrast, the Segotep 750W offers a respectable 750 watts, which is suitable for most gaming setups but may limit future upgrades. If you're planning to run multiple graphics cards or high-demand components, the RM1000x is the way to go. Price is another crucial factor to consider. The CORSAIR RM1000x comes with a higher price tag of $189, reflecting its premium features and higher wattage. On the other hand, the Segotep 750W is priced at a more budget-friendly $99, making it an attractive option for gamers looking to save money without sacrificing quality. Depending on your budget, the Segotep could be the better choice for value. Lastly, let's talk about warranty. The CORSAIR RM1000x offers an impressive 10-year warranty, showcasing the manufacturer's confidence in their product's durability and reliability. In contrast, the Segotep 750W comes with a 5-year warranty, which is still decent but shorter than that of the RM1000x. If long-term support is important to you, the RM1000x may be the better investment. In conclusion, both the CORSAIR RM1000x and Segotep 750W have their strengths and weaknesses. The RM1000x excels in wattage and warranty, while the Segotep offers a more affordable option for gamers. Consider your needs and budget before making a decision. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.